Let us discuss about Paget disease of vulva. Paget disease of vulva. As the name itself indicates, it is the disease involving vulva. Right? Here, what is Paget disease is? It is a neoplasia arising from sweat glands of vulva. From sweat glands of vulva. This is most commonly seen in postmenopausal women. Postmenopausal women, right? So what we see in this Paget disease of vulva is, on the vulva you will see elevated erythematous margins with central islands of epithelium. Let me tell you how it looks. Suppose this is lesion. This central part we will see epithelium, and this peripheral part, what I am showing you right now, is raised elevated erythematous margin, right? So when you see under histology, what you see is, you see Paget cells. Paget cell. As all of us know what is Paget cell. Paget cells, these are large cell with clear cytoplasm. And eccentric nucleus. These are the Paget cells. You will see these under microscope, right? Most of the time, people with these Paget disease will also have some other diseases, like some other neoplasias, like breast cancer, colon cancer, genitourinary cancer. So these will get associated with Paget disease. So when a patient comes with Paget disease, you will have to check for these diseases as well, because if you don't check for this disease, we may miss the diagnosis. Okay, so when a patient comes with Paget disease, you do colonoscopy, mammography and colposcopy, because to identify these neoplasias. This Paget disease is of two forms: intraepithelial Paget disease and invasive Paget disease. Now coming to treatment. Before going to treatment, let's see the symptoms. With what symptoms will the patient present to you? The symptoms are usually, there will be itching, irritation, bleeding, right? These are the usual symptoms with which patient will present to you. So now moving to treatment. So what you do is, here I told you this Paget disease is of two forms, right? Intraepithelial and invasive type, right? In intraepithelial Paget disease, what you do is, we'll do wide local excision. In invasive Paget disease, we'll do radical vulvectomy with lymph node dissection. You see, this Paget disease has got high rate of reoccurrence. So those cases where you see reoccurrence, what you see is, for the treatment of choice for reoccurrence is laser ablation. So this is something about Paget disease. So Paget disease, as I told you, it is a disease or neoplasia involving sweat glands of vulva. This is most commonly seen in postmenopausal women. In this disease, what you see is you will see raised elevated erythematous margins with central islands of epithelium. Right? When you see under histology, uh, you will see that there are Fagus cells. Fagus cells are nothing but these are the large cell with clear cytoplasm and eccentric nucleus. This Fagus disease is associated with breast cancer, colon cancer, and genitourinary cancers. So when a patient with Fagus disease comes to you, you have to check for all these diseases, right? Basically, this is of two forms. This Fagus disease of two forms: intraepithelial and invasive. In intraepithelial form, what you do as a treatment is wide local excision. In invasive type, you will do radical vulvectomy plus lymph node dissection. Right? This Fagus disease has got high rate of reoccurrence. The treatment of option we have for reoccurrence is laser ablation. Right? This is about Fagus disease. Thank you for watching.